अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हुसैन लेक्चर में खुश आमदीद। विच काइंड ऑफ सेल्स आर फाउंड इन द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम ऑफ Ascaris? ग्रीन ग्लैंड्स? नो। नेफ्रॉन? नो। रेनिटे? यस। एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम ऑफ Ascaris में कौन से सेल्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं? रेनिटी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। द सीलोम derived from Blastocoel is called enterocoel? No. Schizocoel? No. Pseudocoel? Yes. Pseudocoel is correct option. In the life cycle of Ascaris, the infective stage is Ascaris के life cycle में infective stage कौन सी होती है? Fertilized egg? No. Third larva? No. Second larva? Yes. Second larva is correct option. Ascaris Lumbricoides is found in the intestine of. Ascaris Lumbricoid किन की intestine में होती है? Pigs? No. Monkey? No. Humans? Yes. तो human intestine में Ascaris Lumbricoid पाई जाती है। The process of morphological differentiating male and female sexes is known as। ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें मॉर्फोलॉजिकली मेल और फीमेल में फ़र्क किया जाता है पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म कहलाता है। नो। वेरिएशन कहलाता है। नो। सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म कहलाता है। यस। Elephantiasis is caused by Ascaris Lumbricoides? No. Enterobius vermicularis? No. Wucheria bancrofti? Yes. Wucheria bancrofti elephantiasis cause करता है। The exterior of Ascaris is covered by pellicle? No. Epidermis? No. Cuticle? Yes. Cuticle is right option. The life cycle of Ascaris Lumbricoides is an intermediate host which is Ascaris Lumbricoid के life cycle में intermediate host कौन होता है? Cattle? No. Snail? No. Man? No. So none of these is correct option. The worms which belong to phylum Nematophora are commonly called as hookworms? No. Elephantiasis worm? No. Horsehair worm? Yes. Horsehair worm, right one. In the invertebrates, once the larva of acanthocephalan emerges from egg, then it is called as cystacanth, acanthilla? नो, ये दोनों नहीं हैं। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इसमें अकैंथर की है, तो अकैंथर इज राइट ऑप्शन। एन अदर नेम फॉर द Aschelminthes organisms is flatworms? No. Gordian worms? No. Roundworms? Yes. Which disease is caused by a nematode? Leprosy? No. Ambiosis? No. Filariasis? Yes. Filariasis is correct. In the Ascaris egg, first larva hatches out in the stomach of host? No. Uterus of female Ascaris? No. Intestine of host? Yes. Intestine of host is right statement according to above given. The New World Hookworm lives inside large intestine? No. Stomach? No. Small intestine? Yes. Trichinella spiralis is commonly called as New World Hookworm? No. Human Pinworm? No. The Porkworm? Yes. Trichinella spiralis को हम the Porkworm commonly कह सकते हैं। Adult Enterobius vermicularis become established in the lower region of the small intestine? Yes. Large intestine? Yes. I think small intestine में ये नहीं होता, large intestine में होता है, so large intestine is correct option. Which of the following is dioecious? Tinea? No. Fascicula? No. Earthworm? No. So none of these is correct. Ancylostoma is also known as Pinworm? No. Filarial worm? No. Hookworm? Yes. Eutely is a specialized characteristic of cnidarians, no mollusks, no nematodes. Yes, तो यूटिली nematode का character है. The complete digestive tract was first encountered in the gastrotrichins, no nematodes, no nemertians. Yes, तो nemertians में complete digestive tract appear हुई. For how many times larva of human hookworm molts? 2 times? No. 3 times? No. 4 times? Yes. इंसानों में 4 बार ये मोल्ट करता है. The disease trichonisis is caused by filarial worms? No. Pinworm? No. Porkworm? Yes. Where filarial worms thrive and nourish? Circulatory system? No. Nervous system? No. Lymphatic system? Yes. The lymphatic system is right option. In which kind of Aschelminthes 2 kinds of hosts are found? Luricifera? No. Periapulida? No. acanthocephala? Yes. Acanthocephala Aschelminthes में 2 तरह के host exist करते हैं. Members of phylum Periapulida are Eutely. Terrestrial? No. Freshwater? No. Marine? Yes. Marine is right one. The introvert bears 8 oral stylettes that surround the mouth in phylum Periapulida. No. Phylum Acanthocephala. No. Phylum Lucifera. Yes. Lucifera is correct. The living syncytial tegment of acanthocephala is made up of lipids, yes, carbohydrates, yes, proteins, yes, sorry, यहाँ पर लिपिड से का ये नहीं बना होता, ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन्स का बना होता है. So B and C is right option. Dash of phylum nematophora are all parasitic in nature. Adults? No. Larvae? No. Juveniles? Yes. Phylum nematophora के तमाम juveniles parasite होते हैं. Nematophorans are the parasites of mollusks, no. Amphibians, no. Arthropods, yes, arthropod is right one. The infection called Hookworm disease is caused by human pinworm, no. The porkworm, no. Filarial worms, yes. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Hussain Lectures. Stay blessed. Take care. Allah Hafiz.